voina HCF le LCM solve dan tur kan ti lenga shortcut chu ni lo ma se mitam takin shet thiam lo mitam takin in shet thiam lo kal ha uwangin hei hi HCF le LCM mu chu dan hi kan chu lenga hei HCF le LCM kha apoi mo lu tu ka wangin exam na ho deuh chu kan solve thei mai thei ni ma se hei mi ber kher hi nakina question chen khat ron kalta se solve thei lo ala oma wangin hei kan solve le anga HCF jon chwa dan ama saberin voi khat karon zirti ranga anua he question om te kha karon solve le mai doni ama saberin HCF le LCM jon chwa dan heta hei kan laloka nga hei 720 le 360 ania hei hi HCF engzat tu nge ti hi kan jong chua ka nga engtin kan jon chwa don ti chuan 720 oma HCF a chuan 720 le 360 he tiangin kan la theya hei hi solve mai turania 10 72 10 36 ania hei hi 2 3 6 2 6 are 12 2 1 is 2 2 3 are 6 13 3 are 36 13 1 is 13 ania hei hi in multiply chuan 720 mu don ani abain 10 2 13 le 3 in multiply chuan 720 mu don ani hei hi HCF jon chwa dan ania tuna engtin nge LCM hi kha LCM jon chwa dan zoka tuna HCF engtin kan jon chwa don ti hi karon voi khat karon zirti le lokanga HCF hi LCM hi pani in kan la kop thea ma se HCF a chuan asanin kan ti anga ya hei hi 2 1 is 2 2 8 are 16 290 245 59 33 ania 720 2 3 are 6 2 6 are 12 2 1 80 290 245 anianga 5 9 are 45 9 33 hei a common exam ngiam hei common na chuwangin 2 multiplied by hei common le a 2 anianga heta 2 2 multiplied by 2 5 le 5 a common na multiplied by 5 3 le 3 common na multiplied by 3 3 le 3 common a common chia lak tur ania hei hi HCF jon chwa dan ania a common chia lak tur ani HCF a chuan hei in multiply vek chuan 316 mu don ani hei hi HCF ani 720 360 le 720 HCF kha 360 hetianga solve tur kha nia chuwangin hei hi in share tur poimo hei shelawin HCF le LCM jon chwa thei don lo ani chuwangin hei share ngei tur ni chuwangin heta ba ka formula pakhat a oma hei formula hi integral ruwa da regular hei formula kha mangin engkim kan solve thei don ni engkim at least 50-60% ju kan solve thei shim don ni first number ti omanga first number pakhat le number pani second number equal to HCF multiplied by LCM ani hei hi share deng turani nakina po hei formula ka manganga chuwangin hei formula hi share ngei tur share lowin question tam ta kha kan solve thei don lowani ti hi shaila tuna kan solve anga the product of two numbers is 720 the product of two number t na inject khera heta the product of two number ti chon hei pani hemi pani number ni ningal mayani direct in first number second number ti ai inject lo ma se hei pani product chu 720 ti nani chuwang in 720 kan jak thengala hei equal to heta kan langa equal to HCF kha engzan nge kan ti chon heta jon chwa tur what will be the highest common factor HCF jon chwa tur ania HCF jon chwa tur wang HCF tin kan jak anga multiplied by LCM kha if the least common multiple is 360 ti wangin 360 kan jak anga ani chuan tuna HCF hei left side kan transfer chuan heta in multiply wangin divide in aron kal don ani 720 by 360 equal to HCF hei in divide chuan 2 chu wangin HCF chu 2 ni mai ani hei answer he option number 4 hei answer ni ngal mai ani chu wangin hei har salowa. Next question akan lut ngalanga heta two numbers are in the ratio 7:11 hey, two numbers are in the ratio 7:11 ti ain ziaka. If their HCF is 28, then the sum of the two numbers is ti ain ziaka. A number pani ain ziaka 7:11 ania hei 7x ti na ni maya achan chu a number tak tak kan shalo chu bang x kan ziaka nga hei po 11x kan langa hei hi if their HCF is 28 yan zi awangin heta a common chu x ania hei hi a HCF chu wangin heta kha x kha a HCF ti na ni mai ani HCF kha x ani chuan the sum of two numbers chu engzan nge ti kha nia chu wangin heta a HCF po 28 ain ziaka x kha 28 ni chungin HCF po 28 ani wangin HCF kha 28 ania chu x ti na nia chu wan hei number hi ang zan nge 7 le 28 in multiply chuan 196 in muanga hei hi in multiply chuan 11 multiplied by 28 in multiply chuan 308 in mudon ani chu wangin question hit the sum of the two numbers hei hi the sum of the two numbers ti na in ziaka chu wangin a number pati 308 le 196 in plus chuan 504 in mudon ani chu wang answer hi 504 heta option number 3 ani hei hi siat tur ania har samia lo. Next kan lut le ngalanga two numbers are in the ratio 7:11 ti na in ziaka if their HCF is 28 ni china nena inang machet amni china masazo khap the sum of two numbers ania heta the difference between the two numbers ania the sum of the two numbers heta plus sum kha plus ania difference kha minus ania wangin hei le hei minus ula answer ningal mai don an question hit 7/11 in jaka heta po 7/11 ni wangin HCF po 28 in jaka heta po HCF 28 in jaka wangin ai nang che ni chu wangin hei 308 le 196 308 le 196 kan minus chuan 2 1 112 ani answer heta option number 4 hei answer ninghal mai ni. Next kan lut le anga the ratio of two numbers is 7:13 ratio kha 7:13 bang 7x le 13x kan la thei ngala if their HCF is 8 then their LCM is in ziaka chu wangin hei hi ajom chhodan ni china first number multiplied by second number equal to HCF multiplied by LCM kan mangdon ni hei HCF le hei formula man lo point answer kan solve thei kading x kha HCF ani wangni ta common kha x ani chu wangin x kha HCF ania x to HCF ania chu heta question am there HCF is 8 ti nj awangin HCF kha 8 ti nani HCF kha 8 ania x kha 8 ti nania 7 multiplied by 8 to x kha 8 ani wangin 7 multiplied by 8 to 56 ania hei 13 multiplied by 8 to 104 ania hei pani hi LCM jon chu aturani kan jong choka nga 56 104 LCM jon chu adan 2 3 are 6 2 3 are 2 2 are 4 ti jok to 2 2 are 4 2 8 are 16 2 5 are 10 2 2 are 4 2 1 is 2 2 4 are 8 2 2 are 4 2 6 are 12 2 7 are 14 13 hei khania hei in multiply chuan 8 ania 8 7 are 56 hei le hei in multiply chuan 56 ania 56 le 13 in multiply chuan 7 to 8 in mudon ni chuan hei hi answer ani answer eta option number 1 hei answer ani. Next question kan lut the least common multiple at the least common multiple chu least common multiple chu LCM highest common factor ti chuan HCF ti nania LCM kha engzan gen soi kha respectivity in zia bangin LCM ama sajok in ron kala chu bangin 60 kha ma sajok LCM kha 60 HCF kha heta 4 an nung jok highest common factor an nung jok am bangin 4 ania. If their sum the least common factor and highest common factor the least common multiple and highest common factor of two numbers is are 60 and 4 respectively, if their sum the sum anti kha LCM le HCF asoi na ni lawani ti hi shet tu rani LCM le HCF asoi na ni lawa ma se a number panit a first number le second number soi na ni a first number turin x kan la anga second number turin y kan la anga chan chu number kan sial lo awangin HCF le LCM chia heta an pe box sia chu wangin nge kan te thei lo ani he kan jong chok anga heta chuan he formula hi man tur ania sum an ti kha enge kan ti chuan x plus y equal to ti na ni maya he number plus chuan sum ania. If their sum is 32 atia 32 ania baka x heta initiate to chu first number multiplied by second number kha enge hi initiate thiam tur heta karon jiak tiang karon highlight kheranga second number kha HCF multiplied by LCM ani awangin hei formula share dang tur ania. First number kha x ania second number kha y x multiplied by y to xy ni maya HCF kha 4 multiplied by LCM kha engzange kan ti chuan 60 chu wangin 6 4 are 24 240 ania 240 ni wangin hei kha karon highlight liang nakina man tur ni wangin etiang kan jia kanga tuna hei formula hi share reng tur pakhat heta baka algebra po hi poimo wangin x minus y holding square equal to x plus y holding square minus 4xy hei kha pakhat ania formula panhi na chu x plus y holding square equal to hei transfer taula in transfer chuan hei minus hi plus aron chuak dona chu wangin x minus y holding square plus 4xy ania hei formula hi share tur ani hei pani formula hi share tur ni ama se hei ama sa jok kan manganga pakhat ke kan rable mayanga tuna x minus y hi what will be the difference between these two numbers atia hey x minus y kan jon cho thei chuan answer ni ngal mai don ni chu wang hei velam pang kan da podanga x plus y chu engzan nge kan ti chuan 32 ania 32 square ti na ni mai ni square oma wang in minus 4 into xy kha engzan nge kan ti chuan heta xy kha xy heta 240 ania 240 hei hi 32 square ania 32 le 32 in multiply chuan 32 le 2 multiply 2 ni loin 32 le 32 voi ni multiply 2 ania hei voi ni in multiply chuan 1024 in muanga minus hei 4 le 240 in multiply chuan 960 in mudon ani chu wangin 1024 minus 960 chu 64 ania x minus y holding square chu 64 ania hei hi 64 kan ti chuan heta square roma square in lak chu anga ewang in 64 chu eng square nge kan ti chuan 8 square ania 8 square le square in cancel thei to chu wangin x minus y chu 8 ani chu wang x minus y. Find that what will be the difference between these two number tia difference hai kha difference ani to chu wang 8 ani. Answer hi option number 2 8 ki na ni mai ni. Hi tu na next question na kan lu le anga hi claim karon rap lo kanga. The least common multiple of two numbers is LCM kha two number panhi kha 252 ania. LCM kha 252 and the highest common factor of them is 12. HCF kha 12. If the difference between the number is 48 ni china kha enge first number kha x ni ta se, second number y ni ta se, tuna x minus y difference atia. If the difference between the two number is 48 ni ta, what is the sum of the numbers x plus y kha jon chwa turani ni china kan ti danen ai nang chiania chu wangin x y chu engzat nge kan ti chuan 252 le 12 multiply ula 252 le 252 le 12 kan multiply chuan engzat nge kan mu don 3024 kan mu anga a multiply dan chu easy wangin karon sil kher to ne ka karon sil kher to lawanga xy in multiply chuan 3024 in mu don ani tuna a formula kan mang to anga ni china formula ka zia to wangin ka explain kher to lawanga x plus y holding square equal to x minus y holding square plus 4xy ania. Hei hiang za tur nge kan ti chuan x plus y kha jon chwa tur ne x minus y kha ta 48 ania. 48 square plus 4 multiplied by xy kha eta xy kan ziak to 3024 ania. 48 square in multiply chuan hei 48 square chu engzan nge kan ti chuan 2304 ania plus hei in multiply chuan 12096 in huanga hei 2304 le 12096 in plus le chuan 14400 in mudonani. Hei hi x plus y holding square kha 14400 ania. 1440 kha eng square nge kan ti chuan 1442 12 ania. 12 square a chuan 0 pan yen ni chuan 0 hei square ania. 120 square kha 14400 ania. Chu wang in square le square in cancel thei to anga x plus y chu 120 ti na ni mai ni. Chu wang answer kha 120 heta a question in china beta boy wangin a question here aron boy thuta tu na question hi kamu chuak le to 120 nia heta answer a 120 hei ni mai ni answer om to a tuna next question akan lu le anga the HCF of two numbers is 29 and the other two factors of their LCM are 15 and 13 atia. Chu wang in the smaller of the two numbers HCF kha 29 ania. The other two factors of their LCM are 15 and 13. The other factors chu wang the smaller number kha ta 13 ania. Chu wang a smaller number apoi mo awangin hei hi number pani oma 15 le 13 ania. Chu wangin heta LCM hi 29 ania. HCF hi 29 ania. Chu wang smaller number chu engte kan jon chwa dom the smaller number of the two number the other two factors of their LCM. The other two factors of their LCM are 15 and 13 atia. LCM kha number pani LCM a factor kha 15 le 13 ania factor kan ti chuan heta ko explain kher lunga tiang question ron kal chuan shet tur chu factor kan ti chuan hei hi antinan 10 kan tiangam 5 2 or 10 ania hei hi factor ti nani factor ania hei hi factor pakhat factor pani hei kha shet tur ania heta atlem zo kha 13 ni wangin the smaller of the two numbers is atia chuwang 29 le 13 multiply topula 377 in humai doni chuwangin hei 377 hi answer ni mai ani the larger hei I in smaller I in larger kita se 15 le 29 multiply top turani chuwan answer hi 377 hei answer ani next akan lu tanga hei po fraction ania ni china fraction lo kan ti to ma se hei fraction ania fraction hi shet tur a formula po har sa lowa hei kha formula karon ja kanga LCM of fraction hei formula chu enge kan ti chuan LCM of fraction kan ti chuan x by y hei chu 2 by 3 tianga om te kha nia chuan hei po 14 by 5 ti na injia ka hei po 42 by 20 21 by 25 ti na ni mai ni chuwangin he tiang ron chuan formula chu LCM of fraction chu LCM of numerator kan ti chuan achung lampang HCF of denominator ania denominator hei formula ania ani chuan LCM ania HCF ne ta se nge formula tur kan ti chuan HCF of fraction chu HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator ani hei hi shet tur ani tuna LCM jon chwa tur he LCM jon chwa tur ani wangin hei LCM formula chung zo kan manga nakina HCF po hei formula po jan jon na tur aron om don ni chu wangin kha mi question kan ti huna in shathiam mai don ni tuna LCM of numerator chu heta 14 42 le 21 ania LCM exam nge kan la angam 14 42 le 21 hei hi kan solve nga langa 7 in kan solve nga 7 2 are 14 7 6 are 42 7 3 are 21 2 1 is 2 2 3 are 6 3 3 1 is 3 hei khania 7 2 le 3 in multiply chuan 3 2 are 6 6 7 are 42 chu wangin 42 ania HCF of denominator chu 5 25 20 le 25 ania 5 chu 5 1 is 5 ningala 20 chu 2 5 akan te zo kanga 5 4 are 20 2 2 are 4 ania 25 chu 5 5 are 25 chu wangin a common 5 chu oma chu wan answer hi HCF hi 5 ti na ni mai ni chu wan answer hi hei answer kan cancel thei to lo wangin 42 by 5 heta mani mix fraction in kan da tum chuan eng tin nge kan da don ti hi karon explain lo kanga nakina mix fraction pon question answer yaron om thea 42 by 5 5 8 are 40 and 2 om wangin a question hi heta oma 8 ania hei kha 2 remainder kha chunglam panga kalanga by divisor kha 5 chuan 82 by 5 le 42 by 5 hi ai nang ani ti hi shat turani tuna HCF ani to a HCF chu engen china pokazia ka HCF of fraction chu HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator ania a numerator chu 3 9 15 ania 3 1 is 3 ania 9 chu 3 3 are 9 15 chu 5 3 are 15 chu one common om chun chu 3 pakhat chia common om ma chu one HCF chu 3 LCM kha engzat nge kan ti chuan hei nói làm bằng giống lạc tu nia 4 10 16 2 2 are 4 2 5 are 10 2 8 are 16 2 1 is 2 5 2 4 are 8 chu wang in hei kan multiply anga hei 2 le 2 kan multiply chuan 4 multiplied by 5 heta 5 ama hei kha 20 multiplied by 4 chu 80 chu wang in 80 hei hi kan cancel thi telo wang in hei answer ni mai ani 3 by 80 heta option number 2 hei answer ni ngal mai ani. Next kan lu tanga three numbers are in the ratio 4:9:13 4:9:13 ania chu wangin 4:9:13 and their LCM is 2340 a number hi 4x 9x le 13x ani maya 4x 13x le 19x ania heta ani chuan LCM kha 2340 ania 2340 ania wang in hei x om kha x pathuma oma chu wang in x kha HCF ni mayani HCF kha x ania hei hi kan tingha langa hetiang question aron kalchon pani po ni se hei pani chau po ni se poilo hei hi multiply top tur khania hei pathum 9 4 x common in lak chuan 9 4 9 13 ania hei kha 2340 nen ai nangani chu wang in hei 4 9 13 in multiply chuan 468x in muanga 2340 hei in transfer chuan in kara multiply wangin divide in aron kaldon ni 2340 divided by 468 chu engzang kan pi chuan 5 so one HCF kha 5 at option number 4 HCF 5 ti nani mani. Next kan lu le ngalanga the HCF and LCM of two positive number anti kherna chanchu minus tel lo ti nani mani. The HCF and LCM of two positive numbers are 4 and 80. HCF kha 4, LCM kha 80. If one of the numbers is 4 more than the other, number pakhat kha 4 more than the other khat pakhat kha number first number kha x ni ta se second number chu palia atamzo ka wangin is 4 more than the other ti ain zia ka wangin hei hi second number chu heta amma sa ain palina tamzo ti wangin x plus 4 ni mayani hei hi in multiply chuan x multiplied by x plus 4 first number multiplied by second number chu HCF multiplied by LCM ania chu wangin hei hi x le x in multiply chuan x square ania plus 4 le x in multiply le chuan 4x hei hi HCF kha 4 ania LCM kha 80 ania wangin x square plus 4x equal to 8 4 are 32 320 ania x square plus 4x hei transfer taula minus 320 aron kaldona hei 0 hei hi splitting the middle term thi in shangayanga splitting the middle term in kan jong chokanga in multiply number ni in multiply chuan 320 anianga ma se in hei x plus ania in minus hei sign hi minus ani wang in minus chuan hei pat number ai nang pani in minus chuan 4 in modon ani eng number nge chu an ti kha ania hei hi eng ti kan jon chwa don ti chon heta kan jong chhuak mayanga 320 2 160 ania 2 8 are 60 2 4 are 8 2 20 hei engjang he kan ti chuan 2 2 are 4 4 2 are 8 8 2 are 16 20 le 16 in multiply chuan 320 in mudon ani in minus box chuan 4 in mudon heta 4 in mudon ni chuwang in 20 le 16 in multiply chuan 320 20 le 16 in minus chuan 4 in mudona chuwang in he karon rab le mayanga tuna x square he hi 4x kha hetian kan ziak don ni plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 equal to 0 ania hei hi a common hi x ania x plus 20 au manga heta x pakhat in lak chhuat chuan x pakhat che manga heta x kan ziaka heta 20x in lak 20x a x in lak chhuat chuan 20 chawom to ni minus heta minus wangin heta common chu enge 16 a common a 16 lak chhuat chuan x a omanga plus ani anga chan chu minus le plus in multiply chuan minus heta minus a oma hei minus le plus ani ka soi 16 hei 20 16 le 20 in multiply chuan 320 ani chuwan hei x plus 20 x plus 20 hei common hi x plus 20 ania heta x plus 20 in lak chhuat chuan x che omanga heta x plus 20 in lak chhuat chuan x minus 16 equal to 0 chuwangin x chu hei in transfer chuan minus 20 poni thei x chu hei in transfer chuan 16 poni thei mase question akha engi soi two positive number ati wangi minus atel theilo chuwan answer chu 16 ni zok hei answer hi 16 option number 1 ti nani next question kan lut dona hei karon rap lokanga Five bells ring together at the intervals of 3, 5, 8 and 9 seconds. Bell pangahi arit hun kha 3, 5, 8, 9 le 10 second in an area. All the bells ring simultaneously at the same time atia. Hun khata kha ari dan kha vai khata ari chia azo nuat they will again ring simultaneously second engzat minute engzat ani lo poin dakar engzat nuange anvayan bell panga te kha anrit le don voi khata ti khania question hi chuwangin hei hi engting kan jon chwa don ti chuan hetiang question aron kalsim sim chuan LCM lak mai turani 3 5 8 9 10 ma se hi ka second ania answer hi minute an pe ani chu shet turania hei 2 in kan tima sanga 2 3 5 2 4 are 8 9 2 5 are 10 3 in kan tianga 3 1 is 3 5 4 3 3 are 9 5 baka hei hi 5 1 is 5 4 3 5 1 is 5 ati the dangom to lo wangin hei kan multiply to panga 3 2 are 6 6 5 are 30 hei ka 30 ni to a 4 3 are 12 12 3 are 36 36 ania 36 360 seconds ania 360 second hit minute engzan nge ni don ti khan nia chuwangin minute ei 360 in thak du chuan by 60 minute ania hei kan cellular 6 chuwang answer hi 6 minute option number 1 ani next kan lu dona hei po achunga mi ni an ainang che ania 6 bells begin to toll together and toll respectively at intervals 3 4 6 7 8 and 12 seconds. At how many seconds will they toll together again? Second engzan nuange an ring le don ti khania an rit le don kha kha zon chwa turania chuwang in hei hi LCM lak le turania 3 4 6 7 8 le 12 ania 2 in kan tema sanga 2 2 are 4 2 3 are 6 7 2 4 are 8 2 6 are 12 2 in kat vai khat kan tilanga 3 2 1 is 2 3 7 2 2 are 4 2 3 are 6 3 in kan tianga 3 1 is 3 1 is 3 7 2 3 1 is 3 so thei dom to lo wangin hi 2 2 3 7 2 in multiply chuan 168 second mudonani. After how many seconds? Minute at thak angai lo hi hour apot thak angai lo second an tia wang 168 second. Option number 2 hey answer ning hal mai ani. Next ta kan lun lianga. 4 runners started running simultaneously from a point. They took 400 600 720 900 seconds to complete one round. After how much time did they meet at the starting point for the first time since the race started? Atia heipo LCM lak mai turani 400 600 720 900 ania 10 in kan tinghal mayanga 10 na divide vek wangin 10 40 60 72 90 hei hi 5 in kan tinga 5 8 are 40 5 minus 5 2 are 10 5 1 is 5 hi 5 in ti thailo 72 kan je kanga 5 1 is 5 5 8 are 40 2 na 2 4 are 8 2 6 are 12 2 3 are 6 2 6 are 12 2 9 are 18 2 na 3 in kan tile ang 2 in kan tile nga 2 2 are 4 2 3 are 6 2 18 are 16 9 3 in kan tito nga 2 3 3 6 are 18 3 3 are 9 3 in kan tile thia 3 1 is 3 3 2 are 6 3 1 is 3 2 na ti the to lawa hei zong in multiply chuan engzang in mu don kan ti chuan 3600 in mu don ni chuan 3600 second a in pek wangin answer hi option number 3 ani. Next kan lut le dona question engzang om to pakhat pani pathum cha om to a he kan solve zo lo luanga. The traffic lights at two different roads crossing change after every 54 seconds 76 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 10:15 dar som le minute som panga a and change chuan then find the time at which they will change again. Da reng za ta nge and change le don an tia heipo LCM jon chwa turani 54 le 76 2 are 4 2 7 are 14 2 3 are 6 2 8 are 16 ania hei hi a cancel thei to lo ani lo chuan swap thei to lo ta ka wangin 2 into 27 into 28 hei in multiply to pangai dona hei in multiply top chuan engzang in mu don kan ti chuan a hun alul un turin calculate sign kan ya chu wangin hei kan tinghal manga 2052 ania hei hi second heta second ni nauma wangin second ti na nia hei hi a minute in dar som le minute som panga a voi khat ari a tuna dar engza tangeri le don ti khan hei second hi 2052 hi awarin kan thla kanga achan cho hei awara in pek awangin arin an pek wangin 360 ania 3600 kati nania ma se den kan solve zo kanga 2052 minute in kan solve zo kanga anom zong turin second pakhat hi minute second som rukhi minute pakhat ani wang 16 kan divide to panga hi angza tur nge kan ti chuan 60 hein divide chuan 34.2 in mudon 34.2 ti chuan angzar nge kan ti theina turin 34.2 chu dar som le minute som panga voi khatari a minute engzat nuange 30 minute som thum pali 8 taula engzan ngin mu don kan ti chuan 49.2 ania hei hi 49.2 ani chuan dar som le minute som li panga le second pani ania second pani kha op heta anjia so wangin second som pani tin anja ka hei hi answer ani hei question last second nania. 4 bells ring simultaneously at starting an interval and an interval of 6 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds respectively. How many times did they ring together in 2 hours? Dakar engzan no dakar ni chung hian voi engzan nge arit voi khata timayang abel voi khata dakar engzan yari mandon ti khania hi LCM kan dali anga 6 12 15 le 22 engzan nge kan ti chuan 2 3 are 6 2 6 are 12 2 10 are 20 3 1 is 3 3 2 are 6 3 5 are 15 10 2 1 is 2 1 is 2 5 2 5 are 10 5 1 1 ania hei hi in multiply chuan engzan ngin mu don kan ti chuan eta in multiply vek chuan ka multiply here to longa 120 seconds in mu don ani 120 seconds to hei hi 120 second ka ti chuan minute ni ti na nia minute ni 2 minute zelin bell second rook second som pani second rook second som pani second som pangal second som ni kha minute pani minute ni zelin abel ari thin ti na nia dakar ni chung hian voyang jang ri mandon ti kha nia chuwang in hei hi dakar ni kan ti chuan dakar hei second an pek wangin dakar ni hi hei hi adakar in pe a dakar kha second in kan thla kanga anom jok tur wangin 1 hour kan ti chuan 60 minute ania a second a chuan 1 hour chu 60 into 60 ti na nia second minute pakhat chu 60 second ni wangin hei chu dakar khat chu sang thum zaruk second ti na ni chu wangin hei le hei in divide chuan answer hum in mai don ani 3600 divided by 120 chu hei in cancel thia 12 3 are 36 7 2 3600 hei hi dakar khatania dakar khat chungyan dakar ni 2 hour chungyan ni chuan 3600 multiplied by 2 chu 7200 ania dakar ni chungyan 7200 ania 7200 le 120 200 in cancel thia 12 6 are 72 chuan 0 pakat am wangin 0 second so voice som ruk ari man don ani dakar ni chungyan chu answer chu option number 2 nemai ani tuna hei hi a san deuh ni china mi kha LCM jon chwa LCM hlira nia tuna hei hi HCF atang jon chwa turania a rectangular room of length 18 feet and breadth 8 feet ania rectangular room hetiang om ta se helam pang hi 18 feet ania helam pang hi 8 feet ania. What is the minimum number of such tiles required to complete the tiling heta tile square? What is the minimum number of such tiles ania heta tile da tala tile engzat nge aleng don ti kha nia question naron zo kha chuwangin hei hi HCF ania 8 2 4 are 8 2 2 are 4 ania 18 chu 2 9 are 18 3 3 are 9 chuwang HCF chu pakhat chia akomon oma HCF chu 2 ti na ni mai ani chuwangin heta square kha hei tile kha square ti na nia 2 le 2 da taula a square hetiangina omanga square dita se 2 2 ania chuwan hei le square engzani da don ti chuan hei area le hei square pakhat area divide tula answer in mu mai don ni hei rectangular area pakhat le hei area pakhat chuwang in answer chu area of a rectangular room rectangular by area of tile chu square ania hei hi engzan nge kan ti chuan area for rectangle chu 18 length into breadth ania length into breadth area of tile kha square wang in to length square ania side square pon ti thawa length kha rectangular kha 18 ania breadth kha 8 ania chu wang in 18 le 8 by L square to 2 multiplied by 2 ania 2 4 are 8 2 9 are 18 9 4 are 36 ania chu wang in answer to 36 hay answer ni mai ani hemi thlang voina kan tianga class danga athar deuh te po adang po anuam jok deuh harsat na in nei te kadon suk kian theina turin thil dang maths dang te po kan solve le zel mai don ni voina kan ti the hetiang thlenga ni kalome